Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth, and this time it's my big bonus box, which comes twice a year. So you have your regular recipe box in here, and then you have all the bonus items. So every 6 months you get a whole bunch of little rollers and little containers for your mixes, some beeswax, and some coconut oil. And then they also send you some almond oil and then fractionated coconut oil. So you get that every 6 months. So let's take a look at the recipe box for the month of February. So our theme this month is soap. I'm going to dig out the recipe cards first, and then we'll look at all the other goodies. And of course they have the stickers in there. So you get stickers for all the items that you make and for the tops of the essential oil bottles. First up, Love Cleansing Shave Soap. And then on the back of the card, if the recipe doesn't continue, then there's additional information on there. So it shows you the recipe box, what all the oils are and their general safety uses, which is super helpful. Then we have a Love Massage Oil. On the back of that note is a note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator for Simply Earth. Then we have a Cleansing Sugar Scrub Bar. That sounds fun to make. And the recipe for that one does continue on the back. Then there's a Bold Roll-On that has the Love Essential Oil Blend, which we'll take a look at here soon. Interested to see what is in there. And this card talks about how they always donate 13% of the profits to end human trafficking. There's a different organization each time. That one's actually located in my state. It's called Grounds of Grace. Next up we have Swirled Heart Soap. That sounds fun. So you have some fuchsia mica powder that you can swirl in there. And that one does continue on the back. And the last card is Love is in the Air Diffuser Blend. And a sneak peek at next month's box. They tell you what essential oils you're getting. Tea tree, which has so many uses. So we're getting that next month. All right, let's take a look here. So we have this really cute little silicone mold for the soap and probably a few other things in there. Then we have Shea Butter Melt and Pour Soap. Our fuchsia mica powder. And our essential oils. So we have ginger is the first one. It says root ginger. Sweet fennel. And here's that Love blend. Let's see what's in there. It has amyris, I'm not sure if I said that right, bergamot, sweet orange, ylang ylang essential oils. And lastly, we have cardamom. So those are the oils this month. It's a super fun subscription box. If you guys are interested, I do have a promo code below that will get you a discount or a gift card when you sign up for a subscription. So I'll put all those details below. And if you want to see past boxes, I also have that on my channel, so make sure you check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.